Hello students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is photosynthesis. In the previous video we have discussed about the modes of nutrition. Those are the two modes, one is autotrophic and heterotrophic. And today we are going to study about photosynthesis, that how the green plants are able to make their own food, as we have earlier discussed in autotrophic mode of nutrition that plants can make their own food. And today we are going to study that how the plants are able to make their own food. So before proceeding to the topic photosynthesis, we will learn about the structure of the leaves first. So let us discuss about the structure of the leaves. First is the you might have heard or you might have seen that the leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Can anybody tell me that why the leaves which we see around us are green in color? So they are green in color just because of presence of green colored pigment that is known as chlorophyll, which is stored, which is present in the chloroplast. Let me show you the chloroplast. So these are the chloroplast in which the chlorophyll is stored in the leaves. This chlorophyll helps the leaves to trap the sunlight which is required for the process of photosynthesis. Why do we need that sunlight? That we will be discussing in our next topic, that is the photosynthesis. And also the leaves have tiny pore like structures under the surface of them that those are known as stomata. Stomata regulates the entry of carbon dioxide and exit of oxygen from them. You can see that the stomata are the pores in the leaves which help in exchange of gases from the structure from the leaf, and they are surrounded by the guard cells which regulates the opening and closing. When the gas enters or exits from the stomata, it opens, and when it goes out, it gets closed. So these are the stomata. These stomatas are present in large number under the surface of the leaf. You can also look at this picture on your discovering book. The entry of carbon dioxide and exit of oxygen take place through the leaf stomata, which is present underside the surface of the leaf. Such as in humans, we take in oxygen, the exchange of gases take place through our nose. In the similar way, in the leaves, the exchange of gases take place at the stomata part of the leaf. Students, also the structure of the leaf is very flat and thin, which allows the sunlight to penetrate through the leaf, and which is used by the leaf for making food, which is trapped by the chlorophyll which is present in the leaf. Whereas there are few vascular tissues which are present. When I say vascular tissues, these are present in the leaves which help to transport the various things required for the leaf to prepare their food, such as water, minerals. Those all are transported by these tissues. One is the xylem and other is phloem. Xylem helps to transport the water, whereas phloem helps to transport the prepared food in the leaf to all the body parts of the plant. So now we will be discussing about the photosynthesis process in detail.